If you didn't know, gift cards are one of the easiest ways to increase revenue in your WooCommerce store. They bring in guaranteed upfront cash, which by the way is money in your pocket if they go unused. Then when gifted, they have the added benefit of attracting new customers. And according to some research, 61% of gift card recipients spent more than the value of their gift card while redeeming it, with the average additional spend being around $30. But you might have guessed the problem. WooCommerce doesn't come with built-in gift card functionality. So today I'm showing you the 6 best gift card plugins for WooCommerce in 2026, based on real user reviews, active support, and proven results. First up is the well-reviewed WebToffee WooCommerce Gift Card plugin, which gives you more than 20 professionally designed templates right out of the box. This plugin is perfect if you want to get started quickly with good-looking gift cards. There are templates for all kinds of different occasions like Christmas, birthdays, anniversaries, and so on, and you can make both digital and physical cards available. They come with scheduled delivery, custom message and image uploads, store credit and refund integration, and the plugin itself comes with excellent documentation. The support is also really solid, with 4.8 stars on Trustpilot, with 99% happy customers. That really matters when something breaks. Plus, there's a free version with great reviews as well, and active support, while the premium version is only $99 a year. Mind you, in the free version, there are less templates available, but that's okay if you're just starting out. This plugin is best for people who want to get started straight away with templates and don't want to spend hours designing things themselves. Plus, it also comes with great support, as I mentioned. Next is YITH WooCommerce Gift Cards, and I chose this one because it has all of the features you'll ever need regarding gift cards. This is a complete gift card ecosystem with digital and physical cards, tons of templates, scheduling, multi-currency support, and full balance tracking. The interface looks really professional, similar to Amazon's gift cards. The plugin also works great with other YITH plugins in case you're already using them. On the downside, there is quite a big learning curve, and it does cost $129 a year at the time of recording. Now, I know there's a free version of this plugin, but I do not recommend it personally. Just check out the latest reviews on the WordPress plugin directory to see what I mean. As for the paid version, it does have a rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars with over 10,000 active installations, but there are still some unhappy customers, so be aware of that before you buy. This plugin is best for established stores who want all of the different range of options available when it comes to gift cards and aren't scared of the $130 price tag. Now for number 3, I have something a little bit different. It's our very own WooCommerce Product Options plugin. This plugin actually works really well alongside any of the gift card plugins that we're covering in this list. So those plugins will handle the gift card system really well, things like the codes, emails, and balance tracking. But if you want to add a bunch of extra option types to your gift cards, then that's where Product Options comes in. You can add unlimited custom fields to your gift card products, as well as any other products in your store. This could include gift wrapping options with price add-ons, additional text fields for messages or notes, a date picker for scheduled delivery if your other plugin doesn't provide that, custom image uploads for truly personalized cards, and other options which allow for different card designs. What this does is give you total flexibility. You're not just locked into the basic functionality of your gift card plugin. And as I mentioned, you can also use Product Options on any of your other products in your store to create completely custom variable products. Things like color swashes, pricing calculators, product bundles, and so much more. I recommend watching this video here to see everything that the plugin can do and see how to set it up as well. It is a premium plugin, but you get 5-star support and regular updates from our dedicated dev team. I've left a link for you to try it for yourself in the description below this video. Now, if you want to have your gift cards up and running in 10 minutes or less, then PW WooCommerce Gift Cards might be the plugin for you. This is the Amazon-style gift card experience, even more simplified. Customer selects the amount, enters recipient email, and adds their message. Then the recipient gets a beautiful email with their gift card code, and they have one-click redemption at checkout. The balance displays automatically, and it works with guest checkout, so they don't need to have an account in order to use it. From what I've read, the free version actually works pretty well, and the pro version adds physical cards, top-ups, QR codes, and bulk importing. This one's actually super popular. 4.8 out of 5 stars and 20,000 active installations because it's easy and it just works. And it's good value at $99 a year, which is a great bonus. One downside is you get fewer design 9 options. But remember, you can make up for this with our WooCommerce product options plugin if you need to. In general, this one is best for store owners who want a simple and fast solution. In at number 5, the advanced Gift Cards for WooCommerce plugin is a focused gift card solution that integrates seamlessly with the free Advanced Coupons plugin. This one has a relatively straightforward approach. Customers purchase gift cards and recipients redeem them as store credit. But the integration with Advanced Coupons means you get access to powerful coupon features if you need them. It of course comes with digital gift card products, customizable card designs, scheduled delivery options, including an email delivery option with customization, and balance tracking through the store credit system. What makes this interesting is how it works with advanced coupons. You can start with the free coupon plugin and test the store credit system. Then you can add gift cards later if you like it. It's a very neat integration and it's good value at $99 a year with a 14-day refund policy. So if you need all the advanced coupon options, then I would go with this choice. However, the fact that you need the advanced coupons plugin may also be a downside in case you're already running a different kind of discount plugin on your site. And the store credit system may not be for everyone in case you want a different way of tracking your revenue. In any case, it has strong reviews with 4.7 out of 5 stars. And I think it's best for stores who want to integrate it with the Advanced Coupons plugin so they have all of these different options available to them. Our final plugin is Gift Cards for WooCommerce Pro by WP Swings, and it brings some unique features that you won't find elsewhere. What makes it special is the multi-channel delivery through email, WhatsApp, SMS, and PDF downloads. It also has group gifting, so multiple people can contribute to one gift card. There are more than 20 festive templates for all times of the year, and QR codes can make everything run faster both online and in store. And of course, it supports physical and digital cards with a gifting portal in your shop for in-store redemption. I think the group gifting is the strongest feature. It's really cool for office gift collections or family gifts. The support gets great Trustpilot reviews, and at $89 a year, it's quite reasonable. Just know that the SMS and WhatsApp features require their own setup outside the plugin with their own extra costs. So if you're only looking for email, then this plugin might be overkill. It's best for stores targeting mobile first or international customers, and people who also want the group gifting functionality. So there you have it, the 6 best WooCommerce gift card plugins in 2026. Links to all the plugins can be found in the description below this video. And please leave a comment if I missed any of your favorite gift card plugins. I'll include them in the next edition of this video. While you're there, drop a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. And I think you'll really enjoy watching this video next. Or you can click on this box here to test out a demo of our WooCommerce product options plugin. And of course, thanks for watching.